Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound section. Now you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals right away to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll all the way down, click on Advanced at the bottom, scroll down again, and click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, and Touch Vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!